Hi guys, today we have Yaris 2023-24 model smart key to program. We are using Autel device here. First I'm gonna scan auto to show you it is Yaris new model. You can see the dashboard as well. Here I'm scanning, but I will program the key by going into Toyota. Then I will select smart keys, then we will select type 7. So you can see that we have option Vios or Yaris. So now we're gonna select the smart key, and from here we're gonna select can type 7. Now we're gonna read the number of key already programmed. So 2 keys are programmed in the system. We're gonna do add smart key and begin rechecking network. It must be connected with the Wi-Fi, and close and open doors. And now keep the original smart key to the ignition. After that, the new one. So this way you can program smart key. Now we are going to check our key is programmed or not. Before we have seen 2 keys, now there are 3. So the key is programmed. Now it's time to start the car. Yes, it started nice and clean. And now let's turn ignition off and check the remote. Yeah, it's working fine, nice and clean.